Hello viewers, welcome to the class. It's math class. My student was enjoying the class. It's for grade 4 or going to grade 5 here. And we're working on time. You can subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Alright, how are you today?
Good.
Welcome to the class for today. And I've seen your work. Now we're going to look at it together and see how accurate they are. Read the first question for me.
Mia got on the bus at 7:58 a.m. and got off at 9:12 a.m. How long was she on the bus for?
So what we're supposed to do in that first one, which is number 6, we say 9:12, that's the stopping time or ending time, minus 7:58, which is the starting time. But 12 minus 58 can work, so we have to borrow 1 from 9. This is going to be 8, and this is going to be 72 because it's 60 we're having, right?
Yeah.
Then 12 minus 8 is 4, and 6 minus 5 is what? 1. Then 8 minus 7 is 1. So the answer is 1 hour, 14 minutes. Did you get 1 hour, 14 minutes? Did you get 1 hour? No. But do you understand what I did?
Yeah.
Or should I explain it again? Or will you explain it?
Yeah. So since 1 and 5 can't go and 2 and 8 can't go, you took 1 from the hour, and 60 plus 12 equals 72. And that's an hour plus, and there's only 58 minutes, and 72 is bigger than 58. So now you could take them, and so
I just subtracted, like borrowing, right?
72 minus 58
That's 14.
equals 14,
Yeah.
and 8 minus 7 equals 1 hour.
Yeah. Okay. No problem. That's good that you understand it. So let me try to go over the next one. Okay, read the second question, please.
A shop opens at 8:30 a.m. and closes at 5:45 p.m. For how long is the shop open?
Now, this is taking you to 24-hour clock because this is 5:45 p.m. 5:45 p.m. minus what? 8:30 a.m. Okay?
Yeah.
It looks impossible, and it will be impossible if we don't use 1745, which is 24-hour rating. So 1745 minus what? 8:30. So 5 minus 0 and 4 minus 3. Then what is 17 minus 8? That's 9. So the shop was open for 9 hours, 15 minutes, right?
Yeah.
9 hours, 15 minutes.
I got 8 hours.
Okay, but do you understand it now?
Yeah.
Okay, that means I'm going to give you some examples later or some class work later. So the third one, Liam starts playing in his room at 10:47 in the morning and finishes at 12:06 in the afternoon. How much time did he spend cleaning? So that's going to be the same thing, like already it's 12, so it doesn't go far. We have 12:06 minus 10:47. So again, 6 cannot, you can't take 47 away from 6, you have to borrow 1 from 12. So 12 will become 11, and this will become 66 minus 47. So 16 minus 7 is what?
16 minus 7 equals...
That's 9, right?
9. Yeah.
Then 5 minus 4 is 1. So 11 minus 10, that's 1 hour, 19 minutes. 1 hour, 19 minutes.
I finally got one.
Okay, you got this one. That's great. This one. Now, the next question says a flight departs 11 38 a.m. and lunch to 16 p.m. was your last time. So here now we're going to use 24 hours also. That is going to be 1416 minus 1138. So 16 minus 38 can work. So we have to say that this is 13 and this is 60. So 76. 16 minus 8 is 8. And 6 minus 3 is 3. So then we have 13 minus 11. That's 2 hours 38 minutes. 2 hours 38. You said 2 hours and something. Yeah, you got 38 minutes, right?
Yeah. It's
And
like under the and it says 38. Because I
okay.
can just put it in.
Okay, so the last question here says Chloe starts baking at 3:59 p.m. and takes the cake out of the oven at 5:14 p.m. It's both p.m., so there's no worry about that. So we have to say 5:14 minus 3:59. And 14, 59 cannot go in 14. You have to borrow 1 from 5. That 5 will become 4. And this will become 60, so that's 74. 14 minus 9 is 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. Then 4 minus 3 is 1. So that's 1 hour, 15 minutes.
I got it.
Got it. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. 3 over 5.
Yes.
Yes.
Different.
So you should put down the corrections, okay?
Okay.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to give you this one to try again.
Okay.
All right. You're asking whether column? Oh, sorry.
Okay, do it in column method.
Yeah, do it in column, whether addition or subtraction. Just do it in column, okay? All right.
Yeah. Okay.
Right. All right. Can you hear me now? Are you there?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's look at the solutions together. A play starts at 3:47 p.m. and ends at 5:12 p.m. How long is the play? So with that, we just say that for the number 1, we have 5:12 minus 3:47. 12 minus 47 not possible, so 60, that's 72. 12 minus 7 is 5, and 6 minus 4 is 2. Then 5, okay, 4 minus 3, that's 1. So this is going to be 1 hour, 25 minutes. Okay, you got that right. Then the next one, we have number 2. Noah begins his work at 6:28 p.m. and finishes at 7:46 p.m. How much time does he spend on homework? So that is 7:46 minus 6:28. 16 minus 8 and 3 minus 3 minus 2 is 1. Then 7 minus 6 is also 1. So that is 1 hour, 18 minutes. You got that too. 1 hour, 18 minutes. Into the third one, we have a bus leaves at 8:39 a.m. and arrives at 10:04 a.m. What is the time elapsed? So 10:04 minus 8:39. So we're going to borrow 1. That's 1 hour, be 64 minutes. 14 minus 9 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. And 9 minus 8 is 1 hour.
I got
Plus
it.
5 minutes. 1 hour 25 minutes. Okay, then the next one. Emma starts practicing piano at 4:55 p.m. and stops at 6:17 p.m. How long does she practice? So that's number 4. We have 6:17 minus 4:55. We borrow 1 hour. This is going to be 77. So 7 minus 5 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. And 5 minus 4 is 1 hour 22 minutes. That's it. Yeah, that's also correct. And to the last question there. The swimming lesson starts at 11:48 and ends at 1:05 p.m. How long is the lesson? Okay, so let me see. 1:05, which is 13:05. So 13:05 minus 11:48. So this becomes 65. 3 minus 8 is 7. 5 minus 4 is 1. And 12 minus 11 is 1 hour 17 minutes.
I got it.
So you got everything. Okay. So that is fine. Alright then, what I'm going to do now before we round up is just a little classwork here. I'm going to give you some numbers, you write them in words, okay?
Okay.
Write these numbers in words.
Wait, so are you gonna give me one and I have to write it correctly?
What did you say?
So are you gonna give me a number and I have to write the words correctly?
Yeah.
Okay.
For example, if I give you 102, that's gonna be what?
902.
And 2. So,
So how am I meant to spell it letter by letter? I meant to write it on my paper and send it to you.
you will write them and send. You write everything starting from here.
Okay.
So, number 1 is 2 is 3 number 4 and number 5 we have so once you're through you send it.
Is the 10 attached or is it 10,000?
Yeah, talking about question 5.
Yeah. Is it 10, 10, 10?
101010. Okay.
I thought it was only the two last ones. So I'll just ask you.
No, 101010. All right.
Yeah, okay.
So you can just try it. All right. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. The first number is what?
117.
But you wrote what?
107.
Why?
I forgot to put 107.
Okay, now. So then the second one, 3010. That's correct. The third one, 10,501. That's correct. The fourth one, 861. That's correct. This other one, 100. What did you write?
100, 100,010 and 10.
Let's take it little by little. This is 0, right?
Yeah.
And if I go further, it becomes 10, right?
Yeah.
Then if I go further, it still remains 10. But if I go here, that's 1,010. Right?
Yes, it's 10,000.
No, this is 1,010, right?
Yeah.
So this is still no, there's no 10,000 there, so it's still 1,010, and this is 101,000. So if I put it here, that is 101,000, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, but you wrote 100,000. So it should be what? 101,001. I mean, and 10, right?
Yeah.
101,010. Okay, that's 3 out of 5. Alright then, that is where we're going to be rounding up the class for today, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so goodbye for now.
Bye.
See you next time. Alright viewers, thanks so much for watching and subscribe to the channel. Alright, welcome to class for today. It's English for grade 5. We want to read this comprehension passage and answer the questions from where we stopped the last class. My student who's enjoying the class, you can subscribe. Thank you. So how are you today?
I'm good.
Alright, so you're welcome. I sent the other link too. At least throughout this holiday, we'll be using link 1, okay?
Okay.
But when we resume, we might have to be using link 2 at times. Alright. Do you need some time to finish up this?
Yes.
Okay, so once you're through, you're going to send it to me. Alright.
Can you scroll down to the questions list?
Yeah. This is a question.
Can you like use the
Oh, wait, can you hear me? Let me know if you can hear me.
hello?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
What did you say?
Can you hear me now, Munachi?
Hello?
Oh, good evening.
Hello?
I can hear you. Let me see.
Hello?
I can
Okay, I can hear you now.
hear you. So, you can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You were asking something. Oh, I think something is trying to reconnect.
For number 6,
For number 6,
my
yeah.
answer is the real treasure is the connection to his family's past.
Okay, yeah. The real treasure is a
And
connection
eventually he feels
to his family's past, right?
Yeah.
and the adventure he shared with his friends. Okay, not just the material item. So you are correct with that. What about the second answer? That's for number six. Now for number seven. How long ago had the treasure been hidden?
My answer is the treasure had been hidden for 50 years.
Yeah, for over 50 years. Then describe the journey Ethan and Maya took to find the treasure.
I was confused with that one. That was what I was gonna ask you about. I was gonna
Okay,
ask you a question about but then you
okay,
disconnected.
okay. So they started at the enormous oak tree in the backyard. They walked 20 paces north and 15 paces east and dug in the soft ground until they found the metal box. Then, number nine, what did the letter from the great grandfather explain? Yeah, okay, it explained that the treasure was meant for for the descendants to find and enjoy, right?
Yeah.
And he hoped they would appreciate that the adventure and the history of their family. He hoped they would appreciate it. So, did you have any answer for number 10?
How did this discover change in Eden's understanding in this?
Mm.
Um, I'll make an answer.
Ethan,
Um,
Ethan realized that his family has a rich history and that his family connections uh, and the shared experiences, his family connections and shared experiences of the family are more valuable than material possessions. So he also learned stories about his grandfather, great grandfather, that he has never heard before. Okay.
okay.
All right, I'm going to send you an assignment. It won't be a comprehension passage, but it will be something in English. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll meet tomorrow for math by the grace of God.
Okay.
Goodbye for now.
Bye.
I see. All right, viewers, that'll be for now. Subscribe to the channel. Hello, viewers. Welcome to class for today. It's math class. My student will join the class now. You can subscribe to the channel. Okay. So,
That's answer.
yeah, how are you today?
Yes, sir.
All right. You're welcome to the class for today.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I asked you to send me your scheme of work, right?
Still my work.
Yes, your math scheme of work for this third term. It's with you, right?
Let me check.
Uh, so even if you have not sent it, you can just call the scheme for me.
Huh?
You have the scheme of work with you, right?
You don't have to.
I mean, check your notes. There should be scheme of work at the beginning of the note for the term, right? Check your note. What's the first topic in your note?
The inverse.
Inverse. Inverse what?
Only additive inverse.
Additive inverse, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Additive inverse. Okay, keep checking. What's the next one?
Definition of polygon Angles of elevation pan.
Okay, wait. Types of polygon, right?
Yes, sir.
Types of polygons. Then angles of what?
Angles of elevation permission.
No, it is elevation and depression. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Angles of elevation and
Depression.
depression. What else?
Statistic.
Statistics. That's where you were talking about frequency table, right?
Yes, sir.
Statistics.
1 and 2.
Let's say, okay, statistics 1 and 2. What
Yes,
else
sir.
did they write under it?
Nothing.
Okay, maybe mean,
Bearing and
median.
distance.
Okay, hold on. Mean, median, mode, um, frequency table, right?
Yes, sir.
Mean, median, mode, frequency table, and okay,
Bearing and distance.
bearing and distance. Okay, is that all?
No, sir.
Okay, what else?
Probability.
Probability. Mm-hmm.
That's all, sir.
That's all. Okay, just give me a few seconds, then I'll get something on the first topic, which is additive inverse. Okay.
Thanks, sir.
All right. All right. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
So we're starting with the first topic, which is additive inverse. Additive inverse, right?
Yes, sir.
Wait a minute. I think I need to move all these stuff to the top first. Move everything to the top. So there you go. So the first one says what? What's the first topic?
Additive inverse.
Additive inverse. Now let's look at this. Read the question 1.
What is the additive? Find the additive inverse of 7.
Find the additive inverse of 7. Okay. The additive inverse of 7 is what?
7 minus 7.
Why?
Because 7 plus minus 7.
You said what?
7 plus minus 7 equals to 0.
Equal to 0. So, in your own way, what do you think additive inverse is? Based on what you have seen now. Wait, you found the additive inverse to be what?
0
No. You found the
minus
additive.
7.
So, what does the additive inverse usually do to the real number?
Plus
Yeah, it turns it to what?
0.
0. So additive inverse will be of a number will be a number you're going to add to that number in order to get what?
The answer.
In order
Minus
to get
7.
what?
Minus 7.
No. The number you're going to add to 7 to get what?
0.
Is the what?
Additive numbers.
is the additive inverse of 7. So what is the additive inverse of minus 15?
15.
15. Why? Because minus 15 plus 15 will give us 0. Now let me explain something. What is minus 1 plus minus 1?
Minus 2.
Okay, minus 2. Or what is minus 1 plus 1? Or what is minus 1 minus 1? Or what is 1 plus minus 1? You know, these are different questions, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the first answer?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. What's the next answer?
Minus 2.
This should be 0. Then what is this
0.
one?
0.
What is this one?
Minus 1. Minus 0.
It should be minus 2. Then what is this one?
Minus 2.
It should also be 0. Then I will explain, okay?
Okay, sir.
Now, whenever you see two signs, what are these two signs?
Plus and minus.
And can you also see it here?
Yes, sir.
Whenever you see them, the minus will take over. The what?
The minus will take over.
So that means you're saying minus 1 minus 1. That is a negative, and a negative gives us two negatives. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And here, minus also takes over. That's why 1 minus 1 is what?
0.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So this one is minus 1 minus 1. That is why it's minus 2. So do you now see minus 1 here, giving us minus 2, right?
Yes.
That means this and this are the same thing, okay?
Okay, sir.
But this one, the signs are not together in it, right?
Yes, sir.
The signs are separate, in separate places. But because they have the same value, which is 1, and there are different signs, then they must cancel. So minus 1 plus 1 will always be 0. Minus 2 plus 2 will always be 0. Minus x plus x will always be 0. Minus y plus y will always be 0. Minus something plus the same thing will give us what?
0.
This is
Minus
because
x.
it will give us 0. This is because you could easily switch this and move it to the right, okay?
Yes, sir.
Then it will become 1 minus 1. And what is 1 minus 1?
0.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You could easily switch this, then it becomes 2 minus 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So the plus at the front will be irrelevant. You could easily shift this, and it becomes x minus x, right?
Yes, sir.
And that would have returned to 0. So anything minus and plus that have the same value. This is 1 and this is 1, right?
Yes, sir.
2, x, y, a. So in as much as they have the same value and different sign, the answer must be what?
0.
0. But if they have the same value, what happened? And the same sign, rather. Let's try. If they have minus 1 minus 1, or minus 5 minus 5, or minus 3 minus 3, or minus a minus a, or minus x minus x. The moment they are the same sign, you increase that sign, okay?
Yes, sir.
You do what?
Increase the sign.
Yeah, you increase the sign. So this is 1 and 1, it becomes 2. This is 5 and 5, it becomes what?
10.
3 and 3, it becomes what?
6.
And A becomes what?
2a.
Because one apple and one apple will give us how many apples?
2.
Then x and x become what?
2. X.
2x. That is because they both have the same sign, okay?
Yes, sir.
But if they have different sign, what happens here will happen. Because the sign here are different and the numbers are the same, it turns to what?
0.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, these signs are different, the numbers are the same, it must be 0. Because it's like saying 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, x minus x, 0, y minus y, 0, a minus a, 0. Okay, let's check the other. Okay, there is this other one, we have checked it. It says, what is the additive inverse of minus 15? And that is plus 15. That is, what are you going to add to negative 15 to give you 0? And that's plus 15. So that's the meaning of additive inverse. And when it says, what is the additive inverse of 7? That's minus 7. Because it is minus 7, you will add to 7 to get 0. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hold on a second. Probably I'll give you some things to try. Okay. Alright, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try these questions. Write them out and write the answers. Then you will send them to me once you're through, okay?
Yes.
Alright. Are you getting it or you want us to do it together?
I'm not getting it, sir.
Okay. So next time, whenever I give you any work, if you get confused, quickly speak, okay?
Okay.
Now, I wanted you to show your work in these questions. The first one says, if the additive inverse of a number is negative 8, what is the original number? Well, just think, what is additive inverse of a number? Additive inverse of a number is a number you're going to add to that, like if the number is x, then you're going to add negative x to get 0, okay? So the negative of the number is what you are adding to the number in order to get what?
0.
0. So for the first one, they have given you the additive inverse. That means plus negative 8. So something plus negative 8 is 0. And I told you, whenever the signs are together, which one will take over? Whenever the signs are beside themselves, plus and minus, which one will take over? Is it plus or minus?
Plus.
Oh, you did not remember. Here, I told you when they are together. What did I say should take over?
Minus 1.
Which sign did I say should take over?
Minus.
Minus. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So now, plus and minus are together. Which sign should take over?
Minus.
Minus. So we said this one is equal to 0. So I will not write plus and minus again. What will I write? I will write minus. Okay? Now I'm looking for x. Just take this to the other side, then it will change the sign. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So x equal to 0 plus 8. X equal to what? 8. What is 0 plus 8?
0.
What is 0 plus 8?
8.
8. Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Then for number 4, find the additive inverse of 0. Well, it's like trying to say, what are you going to add to, the negative you're going to add to 0 to give us 0. So that means 0 minus something should give us 0. Then that means if you remove this to the other side, 0 will come inside. That means 0 minus 0 is x. What is 0 minus 0?
X.
0 minus 0 is what?
0.
0. So 0 equal to x, then you say x equal to what?
0.
So what is the additive inverse of 0?
X.
No. The additive inverse of 0 is 0. Okay?
0. Yes, sir.
Now for the next one, we have, let me see. Simplify this. Explain what property. That is 12 plus negative 12, right?
Yes, sir.
So what will it be? Which sign will take over?
Minus.
So 12 minus 12 is what?
0.
0. So what property? The property is what? Is what? The property is what?
12.
No, the property is this. The property is what?
Additive inverse.
So it is additive inverse that turns this to 0, okay? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's look at this. The additive inverse of a number is minus 25. Minus 25, find the number. That is x plus negative 25 gives us 0. Which means x minus 25 equal to 0. Which means x equal to 0 plus what? 25.
25.
What is 0 plus 25?
0.
No,
25.
25. So you now have the answer to be what? 25. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Alright, no problem. I will send this note right now and I will send assignment. You should study the note and be able to do the assignment. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So just hold on, just wait there. Alright, can you hear me now? Can you hear me?
Yes.
So I said you can close the door to reduce the noise, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I sent a message before that you should send me your scheme of work.
For mathematics.
Yeah, mathematics for third term.
Actually, we don't have scheme of work.
Okay, where's your maths note anyway?
It's not here.
Next time you're coming, you come with your maths notes
Okay, sir.
so that we will look through all the topics you have done. Can you remember the topics you've done anyway?
Yes,
The
sir.
one you've done in school. So, okay, mention them.
Arithmetic mean.
Okay, hold on. S1 mathematics. Mathematics. So you said arithmetic mean. Is that the first topic?
No, sir.
Okay, but you are just trying to remember. Okay.
Geometric mean.
Arithmetic mean. Geometric mean. What else?
I think we did series and sequence.
Sequence and series, right?
Yes, sir. That is what I can remember.
Okay. And series. Okay, hold on. Let me bring something down. But you mentioned sort the other time, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it part of it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about indices?
Indices.
Yeah.
We've done that in second term.
Okay, it's in second term. What about construction? No.
No.
I'm trying to set theory.
Set.
Yeah.
Yes, we did set.
But not this term.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Just hold on a bit. Let me bring something that you try. Alright, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So I'll give you this one to try now, okay? Try it as a classwork, but if you cannot go further, you tell me, okay? Is that clear? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can start now. Write out the question and try to work it out. But if you don't know what to do, let me know immediately. Are you getting it?
Trying to get it.
I mean, do you understand how to do it?
Let's start.
You don't understand what to do, right?
I'm not getting it.
What did you say? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Oh, maybe it's network. Hold on. So I was trying to ask if you were getting it. No, okay, no problem. Let's look at it together so that even if I give you homework, you'll be able to do it. The other time I sent homework, but I did not request for it because I decided we should start with your scheme, okay? Alright.
Alright, sir.
Aha. So if I give you homework now, I would definitely ask for it. Find the arithmetic mean of these numbers. What you're supposed to do is to add the numbers together. What did I say you should do?
Add the number together.
Then you divide by how many numbers are there. So,
4.
yes, I said you divide by how many numbers are there. So now, to get the arithmetic mean, you say 12 plus 18
18 plus 24
plus 24
plus 30.
30. So everything divided by what?
4.
4. So what is 12 plus 18 anyway? That's 30.
Plus 10 plus 84 plus 24 plus 30. That's 84.
Yeah, so this one is 30, right?
Yes, sir.
30 plus 24 is 54. And 54 plus 30 is what? 84. So 84, make sure you only use calculator when you are asked to use calculator, okay?
I don't have calculator yet.
And I'm just saying, okay? Alright. So 84 divided by 4, what is that? 4 is
21.
8, yeah, 21. Good. So that is the answer to the first one.
I got it.
Okay. Then the second one, you told me that you don't know how to do it, that's why I'm doing it, okay?
Yes, sir.
Or is it number 2 you said you don't know how to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you would have mentioned that. So, the arithmetic mean of 5 numbers is 25. The 5 numbers are A plus B plus C plus D plus E. I will divide them by 5, okay?
Yes, sir.
So if I divide them by 5, the answer is what? 25. That's the mean. Now, we have been given 4 of the numbers. So I will put 20 here, 22 here, 28 here, and what? 30. Right?
Yes, sir.
So, we can conclude that what is 20 plus 22?
That's 42.
42 plus 28.
That's 60. That's 50.
What did you say?
42 plus 28. That's 70.
70. 70 plus 30.
That's 90.
No. 70 plus 30.
90.
70 plus 30.
Oh, sorry, that's 100.
So 100 plus the last number, right? Divided by 5 should give us 25. So now we can say that 100 plus E equal to 25 times 5, okay?
Yes.
So 100 plus E equal to 125. So what is E?
125.
No. What is E?
125 minus 100, that's 25.
That's 25. Because it's 25, you will add to get 125, right?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So that if you see that kind of question in exam, you should know what to do. Okay, let me go to the next one. This one. Read the question, please.
A student scored 75.
Continue.
75, 82, 88, and 79.
So it says what?
A student scored 75, 82,
I said you
88,
should continue reading.
and 79 in 4 tests. Full stop. What is the arithmetic mean of these scores?
So what are we supposed to do?
Then divide.
Add, then you divide by 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, 90, that's 79 here. 9 plus 8 is what?
Sir?
9 plus 8.
15.
No, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. 19 plus 5, 24. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 8, 23. 23 plus 7, 30 plus 2, that's 32, okay? So the mean equals to what? How many 4 goes in 32? Then 4 there, 1.
That's 8.
So let me allow you to put down the correction to number 2, okay? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
You will write down the question 2, then you will now write down the correction. Let me move this solution to the top first. I'm trying to do something here. I want to move this question first. This one. So that I'll put the question directly on top of that one.
I've written the question.
Okay, the number 2 question, right? All right.
Number.
Put down the solution to number 2.
What is that?
So when you are through, I'll give you. Okay, I think our time is almost gone. I said I'll give you assignment, right?
Yes, sir.
And no problem. Put down this solution.
Number 3.
For number 2, put down the solution.
I've written it.
So that means you were writing when I was solving it, right?
No, sir.
Send it to me. Send me what you've written. Let me see. Send it to me on WhatsApp.
Sir.
Snap it and send to me on WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Alright, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
So I've sent the work you sent. Now you can put down the third one. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Put down the third one as we round up the class for today.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Alright viewers, that'll be it for now. You can subscribe to the channel. Bye.